My dear teacher and friends, today I want to share the story of raising baby parrots by my grandmother. My grandmother is now staying at my village with my aunt because of COVID-19 lockdown. Last month, one day, seems a branch from a big tree beside my aunt's house fell down. My grandmother and my aunt noticed that a nest also fell down to the ground, and it was a parrot's nest. In that nest, they found 3 baby parrots which could be a day or 2 days old. One of them was deeply hurt on its leg. They both felt pity and brought cute baby parrots home and started taking care of them. First day, the parrots were so scared and were trying to move far away from my grandmother and aunt. They were refusing to take food also. On day 2, they slowly started accepting them, but still not taking food like tomatoes, other vegetables or fruits. On day 3, my grandmother started feeding them milk with a small spoon. They started drinking the milk slowly, and after 5 days, the baby parrot which got hurt slowly started recovering and was walking. After a week, they got used to my aunt and grandmother. They started playing inside the house and taking food normally. 10 days back, one of the parrots flew away as its wings became big and strong enough to fly. Other 2 were still waiting to get their flight feathers strong. The next day, unfortunately, one of them was grabbed by a cat while my grandmother was taking a nap. Feeling sad and disappointed, my grandmother wanted the remaining and last parrot to fly away by putting it on a small branch of a tree in my aunt's garden. After a few attempts, the other parrot also flew away happily. It was unfortunate that one of the parrot was caught by a cat, but overall I felt very happy to know that my grandmother took care of the baby parrots and nursed them. I was very happy to see the pictures and videos shared by my grandmother and proud of her for taking care of the 3 baby parrots. I'm happy to share this story with all of you. Thank you.